This is a JobCost.com video tutorial on how to add, enter, or edit job phases. There are a few ways to add job phases to a job. One option is in the main cabinet, go to Job Cost, click on Job Phase Copy. This allows you to select multiple phases at one time from a phase master list for a single job or multiple jobs. It even allows you to copy a specific job's phases to another job record. This can include phase estimates as well. Start by choosing the From job, enter the To Start job and To End job. Copy Estimates checkbox can be unchecked if you do not want to copy estimates. Select each phase by checking the corresponding boxes. Click Copy to save the selected phases to the job record. It will say how many job phases have been copied at the top. Then click Close to close the Job Phase Copy tab. Another option is adding job phases while you are in the job record under the Job Phases tab one at a time. In the main cabinet, go to Job Cost, click on Job List. To add a phase to an existing job, click on the job name ID from the job list. Click on the Job Phases tab at the top of the screen, then select the blue Add button. When entering or editing the phase information, be sure to fill out anything with the red asterisk or the phase will not save to the job. All other fields can be utilized on a per phase basis. The job number will auto default in when you are on the job record. If entering an existing phase ID, it will auto default in the job phase name as long as it is in the phase master list. If you are creating a brand new phase, give the phase a unique phase ID. This is alphanumeric up to 15 characters. Enter the job phase name up to 40 characters. Choose the job phase status from the dropdown. If you choose Closed as the job phase status, it will show in the job phases but not allow it to be used until the status is changed to Open. Sales account is a general ledger account number that will default upon entry of accounts receivable invoices if the job is not controlled. Labor account is a general ledger account number that will default upon entry of payroll for this job phase if the job is not controlled. Contract billable checkbox must be checked if you are going to do any billings for this job and phase number. Retention % AR and retention % AP auto fill in from the job record. There is a note section and additional user fields that include text, logical, date, and number fields. The system administrator can customize these user field labels to be used to store additional information about the phase. Click Save when done entering job phases. Click Save and Add if entering multiple job phases. Click Save and Close if completely done entering or editing job phase information, and it will close the current job phase tab, taking you back to your job phase screen, displaying all the phases that have been added to this job record.